Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Sometimes when I'm talking, I catch myself kind of listening in on my own speech. And I realise that I'm using words or phrases that I've never actually taught before in any of my classes, even my advanced or proficiency classes. And this was the case a couple of times over the 2-week face-to-face Teaching Lexically course that we were running here in London. I'd be taking students out around London and I'd hear myself using a particular phrase and I'd make a mental note of it and think, I must do a 1 minute English video about that. When we were in Brixton in South London in the 2nd week of the course, I noticed myself saying, before the war this used to be a very well-to-do area, but then it was very badly bombed and a lot of the lovely housing stock was destroyed. When we were up in Highgate, I realised I was saying, as you can see from looking at these very grand houses here, this is a very well-to-do area. If you describe an area as being well-to-do, you mean it's rich, it's wealthy, there's a lot of money in that area. So you might hear people talking about very well-to-do neighbourhoods with lots of large detached houses that all have big gardens at the back. People can come from well-to-do families. You might say, they're clearly very well-to-do, that lot over the road. And sometimes you hear it used as to mean a group of people, like the rich or the poor. So you might hear, for example, you'll now find Banks's work hanging on the walls of the mansions of the well-to-do around the world. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use well-to-do